Hi everyone, Darren Hunter here with Deniz Yusuf. Today we're talking about growing your rent roll, getting more leads simply by keeping your Google My Business page up to date. Now, this is a bit of a tricky one for a lot of people because they're not aware of this, Deniz. So why is this so important?
Darren, it's one of those hidden little lead generation tools that nobody talks about. I have been sharing it in our peak performance community, clients and our mastermind attendees through it. But people just think you set up a website, right? And then that's all you need to do, and then you're on a website, but you need to tell Google that you've got a business, right? So the more information we can give Google, the more information they can give out, right? So
So,
it's really important to set up that Google My Business page so you're telling Google you're a business.
so I think we can agree, everyone, things have changed. People are now more likely to look up a business like a property management business in a suburb, name the suburb there, and do a search on the Google map. Okay.
Mm.
Instead of going to a normal Google search or an old Google search and putting in property management your suburb and seeing a list of websites come up, they're going to be doing property management your suburb in a Google map and seeing a load of pins come up on the map and then start clicking on those. So that's what we're talking is about, a change in habit about how to find an agency if it's not coming through as referral. They're simply doing it via search or coming in cold. So step one, Deniz, is setting it up. Give us some tips around that.
So basically, you need to go into Google and you need to set up a Google My Business page in your business name. It needs to be exactly your business name, and that's where you've got to put your address in. You've got to put your photos in of the business. You need to put the photos in. It's really a personal thing. Instead of just putting a house or a front of an office, put your team members in there. There's a quick tip for you because real estate is about being personable. People gain trust more by looking at people's faces versus a building, right? So, you need to put all of your details in there. There's so many things that once you open up and you set the page up, it starts asking you questions, right? So you need to put in what you cover, what your services are, and so forth. And we can go through that in the next points. But initially, get that address right. And go back to your socials and make sure that it's identical to the address for your Google. So when someone does a search for you, it brings up all of your socials as well. It gives more strength in helping people find you.
All right. So, step two, ensuring that your services are listed. Now, we have a bit of discussion before about products and services, but
Yep.
Deniz, why should all of those be listed?
Because if someone's doing a search for a service, right? So they might be looking for property manager, property management, or leasing agent, or they might be looking sales agent or evaluation of my rental property or whatever. You need to tell Google all of your services that you're doing. So then Google go, oh yeah, this business said that they cover that. So I'll put that business in front of the person that's doing the search. Again, you need to put all of your service. And when you think about it from a real estate point of view, they're marketing properties. They're giving advice on decorations, like how to prepare a home for rent. So I'd be covering everything. Anyone looks that wants to do a search around real estate services, you want to make sure that you've got that detail covered.
Okay, well, step three, we've got down updating it regularly. One of the things you
Mhm.
said before, for people to understand this a lot better, it's like keeping a social media page up to date or a Facebook page up to date for the business, Deniz. So let's talk about what things should be updated regularly.
Well, one of the things that I'd be updating on a regular basis is the products. So if all of a sudden, Darren, you get the landlord and tenant and tradesperson's handbooks, I would be putting that in my edit products section. So not the services, but the products. And then you've got photos. So if you go to a training event or you've got a new team member that's come on board or you're you've just sold or leased a house and you've got those sticker across the signboard. They're updates that I would be adding to the Google Photos. And you need to be doing that on a regular basis. And another key is even a 360-degree virtual photo of your office, right? Because people, the more they can see you and the more information and photos and videos that you're showing Google, the more they're going to push you out more, especially video. Especially video. We know the power of video. All right. So if you've got videos on your Google page, they are going to push you out even more. So regular updates every day. Just treat it like social media, like you said.
What about open home bookings?
Oh my goodness. You've got the bookings button on the Google My Business page. So if you've got an open home, I would definitely be linking that to the home. And what Google loves even more, if you're adding a URL to the booking. So you could have a Calendly link in there, Darren, for someone to book in and register a time with you, or you put the URL of the property so people can have a look at the property. Now, don't feed people to another website, a third-party website. Feed them back to your own website. If you've got a house for sale, a house for rent, put that URL in there. Don't feed them to a third party, okay? The more people on your website, the better.
So this all makes sense. I mean, again, people are going to a Google map and doing their search. This is how you're going to come up and be relevant and, of course, impress them for them to want to contact you through that. And, of course, the older searches, people aren't doing that so much anymore. Now, if you want to add accountability and coaching to this and the other strategies we've talked about, we invite you just to have a look at leadmachinesystem.com or simply just book in a Deniz's diary at leadmachinechat.com. Thanks, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.